Hi everyone, good morning. Happy Wednesday. I just want to take a few seconds to remind everyone about the participation and attendance policy, especially for an online course. So, because we don't meet face to face, it is crucial that you submit your assignments on time. That is how I know that you are participating in the course. If you do not submit a discussion board post or you do not submit your quiz for the first 2 weeks, it is my understanding that you are not attending this course and you are not active. So please make sure that all of your assignments are in, because that is how I gauge your participation in the course and how you're going to receive credit for the course. If you take a look at the course syllabus, which I have brought up here, you'll notice that you really don't have much time to submit late work, because in an online class, it is crucial that we are active in real time. So if you respond to a discussion board post a week after we've had the discussion, that learning, that experience has been lost. So it is so crucial that you submit all of your assignments on time. And if for any reason you have an extenuating circumstance, you have many ways to reach out to me. You can email me, you can call me, you can text me. Okay? So many different ways to let me know that you are having some type of issue or extenuating circumstance that is preventing you from participating online or submitting your coursework on time. If you submit anything after a week that it is due, it is a 0. So that can really be a hindrance to your overall grade, okay? Just know that the registrar is on top of your progress, and they're reaching out to professors and ensuring that we document if students are not up to par. So just know that if you miss a week of work and you do not reach out to me, most likely I will be contacting the registrar. So stay on top of your assignments and be proactive. If you, for any reason at all, cannot make a due date, please advocate for yourself and reach out to me and let me know what the issue is, and I'll be happy to work with you. Okay? I want you to succeed, but I can't help you if you don't communicate what it is that is holding you back from being able to fulfill the assignments. Okay? Have a great day, and I will be following up with you about the first exam assignment. Thank you.